Okay, so in this question, you're being asked 1 plus 19 over 20 plus 3 and 1/8. Okay, so you could do it with this technique here where you need to have a common denominator, right? And it takes a lot of work. You're going to end up with 5 and 3 over 40. Or you could have a quick look here. Using your calculator and a fraction key, you can save yourself a lot of time. You can just punch it in as 1 fraction key 19 fraction key 20. That gives you 1 and 19/20ths plus 3 fraction key 1 fraction key 8. Hit equals, and you're going to get 5 and 3 over 40. Now it's going to look like this on your calculator. 5, and it's going to have this 3, and it's going to have this 40. And you need to recognize what this means. The first number is the large number, okay? And then this is the numerator, and this is the denominator. So you have to understand what that means. Large number or whole number, numerator, denominator, but you can do it a lot quicker than having to go through this whole system where you make it an improper fraction, do a common denominator, get an answer, and then convert it back to a mixed numeral. It takes more time, okay? It's easier to use the calculator. But I will show you the other 3. I'll show you how to do them the long way, but I would like you to try the calculator for these as well. So let's look at the second one. 10 and 5/7 minus 2 3/4. Okay, 10 and 5/7 minus 2 3/4. Okay, so that looks like 10 times 7, 75 over 7. Minus 2 times 4 is 8 is 11 over 4. Common denominator of 28. That would be times 4 would be 300. 11 over 4 times 7, 77. So that's going to be 223 over 28. Okay? Which, as you convert it to a mixed numeral, now I'm going to have to do whatever 223 over 28 is. And that's going to take me a little bit of time. So we're going to drop the calculator. But it will take me a little time, but I will come up with 7 and 27 over 28. 7 and 27 over 28. Okay? Now, your other option is to go this way, right? Is to use these things here. Okay? Is to go that way. And we can quickly put in 10, 5, 7. We're subtracting, aren't we, in this case? We are subtracting. Okay. We then put in 2, 3, and 4, and see what you get. I'm actually going to do it to show you how long it takes to do it. 10, and then 5, and then 7, and then subtract, and 2, and 3, and 4. And I am going to get, oh, look at that, it's the same answer. 7 and 27 over 28. Remember, it looks like this, 7 on your calculator, and you have to discern that that's up. But a lot quicker that way, but you can do those with full solutions. Okay, let's try the next one. Looking at the next one, okay, it's 3 1/3 times 2 1/2. 3 1/3 times 2 1/2. Okay, so I could do it this way. 3 times 3, that's 10 over 3 times 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5 over 2. So I could do that. I get 10 over 3. I could multiply. 10 times 5 is 50. 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, and I could say, well, 6 goes in. 6 times 8 is 48. Oops. And I would have 2 out of 6 left over, or I would have 1 out of 3 left over. Okay? I can do it that way. Okay? The other option is to do this. Okay. Again, put those in. Okay. And what you'll notice is I put in the 3 fraction 1 fraction 3. This case I'm going to multiply, right? Then I put in 2 fraction 1 fraction 2, and I'm going to work that out, and I'm going to get very quickly 8 1/3, right? And again, it doesn't take very long, so I'll do it quickly. Watch how long it takes me. 3 fraction 1 fraction 3 times 2 fraction 1 fraction 2, and there you go. I get 8 1/3 very quickly like that. Okay. Well, look at the last one. 26 divided by. Okay, 26 divided by 3 1/2. Again, you can do it the long way, right? Well, 26 is going to be 26 over 1. We need to make it a fraction. Divided by 2 times 3 is 6, but it's 7 over 2. Right? Division means we have to multiply the inverse, like that, right? Okay, multiply 2 times 7, 52 over 7. Now we know that 7 times 7 is 49, so there's 7 complete ones, and there's 3/7 left over. Okay, 3/7 left over. Now, you could do this one exactly the same way, and you're going to get the same answer. We won't worry about doing it that way, but do understand that this, you could just put in the numbers, put in the division, and very quickly use your calculator and get it. So your choice, you can do it the long way, or you can get a calculator, you can understand this fraction button, and you can save yourself a lot of time. All right, see you at the next slide.